Okay, so in this video, I am going to be showing you how to optimize your Pinterest profile in 5 minutes or less. So taking a look at my Pinterest profile here, it's important to make a note of the fact that I do have a business account. So your layout up here might be a little bit different, but your profile should look something similar to this. And there are a few different basic elements that you have to your profile. You've got your cover image up here, you've got your profile image here, your title or your account name, and then you've got your website and your description down here. So in order to edit each of these elements, you have your cover photo here. Now automatically what this will show up as is a preview of all your recent pins. So you'll see down here on your profile, you can see a list of all the recent pins you've created. And if you click on saved, you can see you've got all your boards there. But all your most recently created pins automatically by default, if you haven't uploaded a separate cover graphic, will just show up in a feed here, like a little kind of snippet of how that looks. So if you want to actually change that to be a cover image like this, then all you need to do is click the little pencil icon when you are on your profile, and that will allow you to upload either a photo or a graphic or a video as well to replace that as your cover graphic. Now to optimize your profile and make sure that you're making the absolute most of all the space that you've got on there, I would suggest having some kind of call to action or information about what you do or a service or product that you are currently running a campaign or offer about at the moment. So for me, you can see that at the moment, one of my top goals is to get lots of people watching my free masterclass, which is a free 30-day content planning masterclass. So I have included that on this graphic. Now to create this, all I did was go into Canva, and it literally took me a few seconds. I went to create a design, custom dimensions, and the dimensions you're looking for are 1600 by 900. And when you click create a new design, you can just create your graphic in here. You can even use some of their pre-made layouts here, so you don't even have to create something new, and just edit it to fit with your fonts and colors and things like that. And obviously include a call to action would be my top tip for you in terms of your priority of creating this graphic. Make sure that you are telling people to go and do something. So in this graphic, I'm essentially saying go and sign up for the masterclass. You can find the link in my Pinterest bio is what that little kind of button part of the graphic says. And then what I've done is include the link in my profile description, which I'll talk to you through in just a second. So that's the cover graphic, and that's really easy to update and optimize to make sure you're getting the most out of your profile. You've then obviously got your profile photo, which I would always recommend either being a photo of you, or if you aren't particularly relevant to your whole brand, then maybe your brand logo or some kind of image that shows exactly who you are and what you do. Either a recognizable logo or something of your face is preferable if you have a brand that's relevant to that. But then below here, we've got the title of your account. Now, if we click the little pencil icon down here, that will allow us to edit our profile page in the description. It will open up this page here. This is where you can change your profile photo, and your display name or account name is up here. So this is different to your username, which is probably going to be the name of your business, but your display name should be the name of your business plus a little bit of an explanation about what you do. And you've actually got quite a few characters here to play with, to include some keywords of what your business either offers or will be pinning about on Pinterest. So I recommend using as much as you can of this in order to help your profile get found. So for example, if you want your profile to get found for business, branding and content marketing tips, that is why I have put that in my display name, because it actually helps towards your overall pin SEO. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Pinterest SEO and its algorithm and how it all works, I do have a Pinterest course which is called Grow with Pinterest, which talks you through all of that plus loads of other Pinterest strategies as well. But just so that you know, Pinterest is a search engine and it will use keywords in your profile to help rank you for certain things. We have then got your little profile description or about your profile, where you have a certain amount of characters here to fill in that describe again what your business does, what people can expect for following you on Pinterest. And again, you want to be really clear about the types of things you're going to be posting about so that people are encouraged to follow you and repin your stuff. And also you want to include your call to action in here. So you want to include some kind of incentive for people to either go to this link and see more on your website, or they want to sign up for something, and you want to make it as appealing as possible. So for me, if people go to this link, they can get this free content planning masterclass. Now, because you've only got limited space here, if you paste in your normal link to a web address or a sign up form, it might send you over the limit of the characters. So I have used a tool called Bitly to shorten this link and just to make it fit within the character space. And that's just Bitly, and you can create short links in there that are also trackable as well. So that is your description on your profile. And then, of course, last but not least, you have your website URL. And it's really important that you've got your website on here so that if people do want to find out more about you, they can click on your website here. So that sums up the key elements of an optimized Pinterest profile. I hope you enjoyed this quick fire video, and as I said, if you are wanting to learn more about Pinterest strategies, how its algorithm works, and how to actually get your content seen, definitely check out my Grow with Pinterest course. I will leave a link to it in the video description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back again next week.